Two of the biggest issues that cleaning business owners face are client cancellations and not getting paid on time. Personally, in my cleaning business, what we do to avoid these two situations are, number one, taking deposits, which are 25% of the estimated clean, and they are non-refundable. We let our clients know of this upon signing our quotation. We take 25% upfront, no refunds, non-refundable, and then the balance we actually charge as soon as we're done with the clean. Now, how do you do that, Carol? Number one, we send them out a quote with all of this verbiage in it that they have to e-sign in case we have any issues with chargebacks or disputes. Number two, they have to put in a credit card to pay for that 25% deposit, and then it gets saved into our credit card processing system. So that way, when our technicians clock out of a job, we can instantly swipe the card on file. Now, again, this is mentioned in all of our terms on our quotations. Each quotation that we send out, our clients have to e-sign acknowledging our terms. You guys should be taking deposits that are non-refundable as well as charging for the clean as soon as it's done. There is no reason why anybody should be holding our money.